Hi guys, so it's me, Shauna. I'm going to be doing new videos to my channel. This one is going to be an unboxing for Adore Me. I was at work one day and I saw a commercial for it and I was like, oh my god, I have to try that. And no, this is not a sponsored video. This is just me putting it out there because I seriously am obsessed with this company. The boxes come in this. This is what it looks like. This one I ordered one bra and panty set and then like one little lingerie thing. I did already open it and I did already try everything on. And as usual, like, this is what it looks like when you open it. And on the inside, it was wrapped like this, and it had this little sticker that said, you glow, girl. This is the bra. This is the bra. And they all come in their own little individual packets. This is the underwear. And then this was the lingerie thing. Everything always fits like it's supposed to, and I will never order anything from anywhere else. I'm seriously obsessed with this company. And they always have like a little book and other stuff in it. And then they always have little coupons like this, the buy one get one set free. But no.
Where's the rest of the trash?
Okay, go ask him. Go look in the kitchen.
There's no HEB bag.
Just take him a regular trash bag.
Trash bag?
Yeah, go. My next video will be something pretty cool, so if you guys just stay tuned, you will see what it is. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll be making more videos. This is just an unboxing from Adore Me. If you haven't checked it out, go do so. Bye. Say bye.